Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about latest technology, unboxing of stuff, and their reviews. Today I want to share my review of a versatile and comprehensive toolbox, which you can see in the video. That has been a game changer for me. This toolbox is packed with a wide range of tools that makes it perfect for tackling various DIY projects and home maintenance tasks. Upon receiving the toolbox, I was immediately impressed by its sturdy construction and well organized interior. The toolbox itself is made of durable plastic material, and the latches securely hold everything in place. So let's dive in what makes the toolbox so special. So let's open it and see what is inside. So from these latches we can open, and here is the mystery box, which is very useful for your daily life activities. So we have screwdriver set. The set includes a variety of flathead and Phillips screwdrivers in different sizes. As you can see, these are small one. This one is a rigid stop. It can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can set this. And this one is also two screwdrivers. One is Phillips and one is flat. These two for hard job, you can use this. Second one, if you go this way, pliers, you will find both needle nose and slip joint plier. Needle nose is this one, and this one is slip joint plier. So these two pliers are perfect for gripping, bending and cutting wires. So now right to the pliers, we have set of wrenches, adjustable screw wrench. A set of adjustable screw wrenches ensure that you can handle various nut and bolt sizes. So as you can see, it has adjustable screw. You can use this for your plumbing work or any other nut bolts, tightening or unscrewing. So next to it we have hammer, which is essential for tasks like hanging picture, assembling furniture, etc. So it is very handy, lightweight and very useful for your day routine requirement. We have also these hex keys. A range of hex keys are included for assembling furniture and working with hexagonal fasteners. And beside of this we have miring tape, which is also very useful in your daily requirement. So here we have hacksaw. It's small and compact. but it cannot be used for a hard job. For small cutting you can use this. So right after this we have this voltage meter, digital volts meter. You can measure the, and this one is cutting knife which you can use for the multi-purpose. So with extra blades, and in the corner we have some screw box of different sizes with plastic fixtures. So this is all about the toolbox. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.